Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll explore how to use Wealthsimple Trade for stock and crypto investments, a beginner-friendly platform designed for seamless trading. If you're looking for an easy way to grow your portfolio, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. Sign up for Wealthsimple Trade. Download the Wealthsimple Trade app and create an account. Complete the registration process, which includes verifying your identity and linking your bank account for funding. Fund your account. Once your account is set up, deposit funds by selecting the Add Funds option. Choose the amount you want to transfer and link your bank account if you haven't already. Explore stocks and cryptocurrencies. Navigate through the app to browse the available stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Use the search bar to find specific investments or explore trending options. Research your investments. Wealthsimple Trade provides essential details, including price history, market performance, and basic analytics. Review these to make informed decisions before investing. Buy stocks or crypto. For stocks, tap on the stock you're interested in, select Buy, enter the amount or number of shares, and confirm the purchase. For crypto, follow a similar process, but ensure you understand the additional volatility and risks associated with cryptocurrencies. Monitor your portfolio. Access the Portfolio tab to view your holdings, track performance, and keep an eye on market trends. Wealthsimple Trade offers a clean interface to help you stay organized. Set up recurring investments. Use the auto deposit feature to regularly fund your account and automate investments. This is a great way to implement a dollar-cost averaging strategy. Review fees and taxes. While Wealthsimple Trade has no commission fees for trading stocks and ETFs, it charges a small fee for cryptocurrency trades. Make sure you're aware of these costs and plan accordingly. With Wealthsimple Trade, investing in stocks and crypto is simple, transparent, and accessible to everyone. Have you tried Wealthsimple Trade? Share your experience in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing tips. See you in the next one.